Just to make sure everything is working and properly connected, we can do a quick test run to make sure that the chemical is being dosed when the flocker is activated. There is a manual dosing option on the flocker to check this. Open the front door to the flocker unit with the black plastic key provided. Go to the main screen and select Manual Calibrate. If asked for a password, enter 123321. Place a 1 liter or bigger measuring jug at the outlet of the hose. Open the IBC valve. Select a dose fixed volume of 0.6 liters. Press start. It will automatically stop. The flocker unit will energize the solenoid valve and thus opening it. It will take a few seconds for the chemical to run through the 5-meter outlet hose. The flow meter next to the solenoid will measure the volume of chemical dosed. Since we selected a volume of 0.6 liters, we should end up with this amount of chemical in the jar. Check that this is correct and within the maximum of 10%. If the difference is larger, we can calibrate the flow meter to the chemical in the same screen. Refer to the manual. Please keep in mind a volume of chemical will remain in the hose and will vary due to the setup of the outlet hose. If the volume of chemical is close to the measured volume, everything is set up correctly. If you wish to double check the tipping bucket activates the system, it is best to temporarily set the rainfall parameters to 100 ppm, 1 hectare, 0 initial loss, 0 ongoing loss, load, save, and save to flash. Remove the bucket and manually give the mechanism 3 tips. The system should now open the solenoid valve and discharge 600 ml of chemical. Check the volume in the measuring jug. Remember that when dosing for the first time, some volume will be lost to replace air pockets in the outlet assembly and hose. If necessary, tip the mechanism another 3 times to check the volume. The dosed volume should not be out by more than 10%. The flow meter calibration may need to be checked if this is the case. We can use a similar approach for the ultrasonic meter. Please note that this may discharge a relatively larger quantity of chemical. Basically, you can use a water tank to pump some of the water through the pipe or channel and make sure that the unit activates. Alternatively, place a piece of wood under the sensor for a few minutes to simulate flow going through the pipe or channel. Check that your actual site inputs are entered correctly, including losses in the settings screen. That's it, your system is now ready to go. Close the flocker door, leave the IBC valve open, and the chemical will dose into your basin in the next rainfall event.